Crypterium in a real sense is as of now esteemed at 10 cents. Crpt's really intraday volume generally remains at $1,107,930, which for the most part is very critical. Backing for the by and large bears especially has been laid out at $0.097. Crypterium's EMA10 for the most part shows in every way that really matters descending pattern in a quite huge way. 13 November 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Crypterium cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and in every practical sense attempt to answer these habitually sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what truly is transient cost expectation for Crypterium, especially is CRPT a sort of wise venture? Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Crypterium support and obstruction levels and so forth in a very huge manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the CRPT specialized examination, for the most part allowed us especially to discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they explicitly thought. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole cryptographic money market to $1,414,664,667,125, exhibiting how Crypterium support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they truly thought. The absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $48,913,730,687, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which basically is genuinely huge. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours, truly further appearance how Crypterium explicitly is as of now esteemed at 10 cents. CRPTs, especially intraday volume, sort of stands at $1,107,930, which is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, really in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 2.19 and at present exchanging at 65 cents. Furthermore, Solana came to $57.83 subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.02% in esteem, or so they thought. These occasions especially show that the market generally is going in a kind of descending bearing for genuinely present moment, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the CRPT specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us explicitly discuss the truly current economic situations, which generally is very huge. Right now, a truly broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period in a quite enormous manner. Crypterium backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which sort of shows that Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in an extremely significant manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become sort of more truly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in an essentially huge manner. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers in a real sense become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,414,664,667,125. Exhibiting how Crypterium support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they essentially thought. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Crypterium, CRPT, Crypterium execution. The genuinely current Crypterium cost really is 10 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,107,930 in the beyond 24 hours in an exceptionally large manner. At present, CRPT sort of is somewhere around 5.67% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,382,866 United States dollars, so Crypterium support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they in a real sense thought. Crypterium Value Examination CRPT Cost Investigation for 13 November 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time period truly made sense of underneath, which explicitly is very critical. We utilize extremely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sword of normal intermingling and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving sword of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to essentially dissect the future development of the crypterium, which for the most part is very critical. The quick obstruction for CRPT truly is in every practical sense found at 12 cents, and a breakout from this level could by and large leads towards the genuinely next opposition, which can basically be especially found at 13 cents, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours. Pretty further appearance how Crypterium certainly is by and by esteemed at 10 cents. CRPT's very intraday volume truly remains at $1,107,930, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. On the kind of other hand, assuming that the bear most certainly assume command and CRPT cost fundamentally neglects to sort of break out above 12 cents, it could fall back towards the urgent help at $0.097, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid in an unobtrusive manner. Crypterium financial backers need to in a real sense hang tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, which especially shows that the MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, which generally is genuinely critical. The very relative strength record, RSI, for CRPT coin explicitly is right now drifting at 32 for 14 days truly normal line, which most certainly implies CRPT truly is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, showing that following really are the help and obstruction levels of Crypterium, CRPT, Crypterium execution, the ongoing Crypterium cost in a real sense is 10 cents. With an exchanging volume of $1,107,930 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, or so they basically thought. While CRPT's Williams percent R pointer sort of is at 75.686 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, extremely signal is certainly conceivable at this reach. Which most certainly shows that Crypterium financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day diagram, which for the most part shows that the MACD line in a real sense is